again, you're still doing elimination, but this time when you look for the opposites, you notice you don't have opposites and you have a problem because 3 and 2, there's nothing if you multiply by -1, it's not going to help you. 1y and -2y, if you multiply one of those by -1, it's not going to help you. So how can we get opposites? How can we get opposites? What if we multiply this top equation by 2? And the reason I did that is because I said, okay, there's a 1y here, a -2y here. If I could get this to be +2, then these would be opposites. Make sense? If I can get this to be +2y, then these would be opposites. Do you see that? So you can multiply by whatever number you want. So whatever number will give you opposites, that's the number you multiply by. So if I multiply this equation by 2, what's 2 times 3x?
6x.
6x, because we're going to use our calculator so that our brains don't get stressed doing the easy things, right? That's an easy mistake you can make. You're doing a lot of steps. 2 times 3 is 5. Your brain is saying plus, your mouth is saying times, and you get confused, okay? So use your calculator. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 1y is, what's 2 times 1y?
2y.
2y, positive 2y. 2 times 5 is 10. So now if I rewrite the bottom equation underneath it, 2x minus 2y equals -2. Now do you see any opposites? Are there any opposites there?
2y.
Yes, the 2y and the -2y. So you see, you can multiply by whatever you want to get opposites. So use the easiest thing you can think of, because you don't want to work with these humongous numbers if you don't have to. Okay? All right, so now let's combine these. 6x and 2x.
8x.
8x. The 2y's and the -2y cancels out. And then 10 minus 2. This is a -2. Make it easy on yourself. 8. Right. Positive 8. My last step to solve for x.
Divide.
Divide by 8. Divide both sides by 8. And x equals 1. Very good. Now from here, everything is normal. How do I find y?
Pick one of them.
Okay, we're going to pick one of these equations and we're going to substitute 1 for x. Which one do you think we should pick? The top one. You can pick either one, but I like to stay away from minus and negative. Okay, because less work. So x equals 1. Usually if you stay with positives and plus, you have less chance of making a mistake. So how the first thing you do is
Times 3.
3 times 1 is 3. Then what should I do?
-3.
Subtract 3. And you get y equals 2. So my final answer, how would I write it?
2, 1.
Oh, you did it, JR. You did it. 1, 2.
I'm sorry.
You flipped it. Be careful. Don't flip it. X goes first, Y second. So your final answer is 1, 2.